Welcome to Bird, your ultimate customer engagement platform. As a marketing manager or CRM manager, I want to bring in my contacts into Bird to engage with my customers on different channels. Today, we're thrilled to show you how easy it is to import contacts using a CSV file or by syncing with connectors. Let's dive right in. There are two ways to bring your contacts into Bird: using a quick and simple CSV import or syncing with one of our out-of-box connectors. Need to bring in a list of contacts quickly? No problem. Under Grow Customers, you can navigate to the Contact section, click on Add Contact. With the Import from CSV option, you can easily import contacts using a CSV file. Simply click on Import from CSV, choose your CSV file. You can drag and drop or click Browse to upload. To understand the right format for your CSV, download our model sheet. Watch how quickly your file is uploaded. In the second step, you can review the file you are uploading to check if everything is in order. Next, you can select their subscription status for different channels or import without making any changes. Here, you can choose to add these contacts to a default list or a custom list you have pre-created. You can also create a new list here to add your contacts into it. In just a few clicks, you've successfully imported your contacts. It's that simple. Under the Import section, you can see all the imports done in one place and how many new contacts created and updated by each of them. Now, let's talk about syncing connectors. Bird makes it effortless to connect with your favorite apps and platforms. Whether it's Shopify, Salesforce, HubSpot, WooCommerce, or any other supported e-commerce or CRM connectors, syncing your contacts is a breeze. Go to Automate Work, Connectors, and then Marketplace. Click on your preferred connector, add a new connector, and authorize the connection. And Bird will automatically sync your contacts, ensuring that your information is always up to date across both the platforms. Once synced, you can view all your connector syncs for your contacts here. But wait, there's more. With Bird, you have full control over your contacts. Easily customize different attributes, automatically merge duplicates, and even unify all your contact data from third-party sources in one single place. It's about making contact management as seamless and unified as possible. Now, you can increase engagement, retain customers, and grow your sales with better personalization and targeting. Now, you can increase engagement, retain customers, and grow your sales with better personalization and targeting.